In previous episodes, we explored Sure Q, such as sharp corners outside a window or beams overhead. These are tangible, visible threats. In Feng Shui, we call this Feng Shui. But did you know that there is another, more hidden and subtle type of negative energy? It is related to time and the cyclical movement of the universe's energy. This is known as Qi Shui. The two major schools of Feng Shui are the Form School and the Compass School, or Li Qi Pi. The Form School focuses on form, the mountains, rivers, and building shapes that we can see and touch. Feng Shui is the negative energy generated by these tangible, disharmonious shapes. The Compass School, on the other hand, focuses on Qi, the invisible, time-based cosmic energies. It holds that the energy of the universe is not static, but flows and changes in cycles, like the tides. Qi Shui occurs when a disharmonious, destructive combination of energies appears in a specific location at a specific time. The most famous system of the Compass School is the flying stars Xuan Kong Fei Sheng. So, what is the difference between these two types of Shui? Here is a simple analogy. Feng Shui is like a nail that is always stuck in one place. Its effect is constant and stable. As long as your bed is facing that wall corner, that sharp corner Shui will continuously affect you. Qi Shui, however, is like a moving energy vortex. Its effect is cyclical. For instance, according to the flying stars, this year's 5 yellow Shui might be in the northwest. This means the northwest corner of your home needs to be kept especially quiet and clean this year. And next year, this energy vortex will move to another location. Understanding the difference between Feng Shui and Qi Shui allows us to move from a static view of Feng Shui to a more comprehensive and dynamic cosmological view. We not only need to get the placement right, we also need to learn to dance with the energy of time. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will enter the realm of personalized Feng Shui and explore your life archetype. Thank you for watching.